Welcome, friends. This is your 5-minute stepping out of your comfort zone meditation. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, on the floor, or wherever you feel supported. Gently close your eyes if that feels right for you, and begin to soften all the muscles in your face. Let's start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and belly rise with the inhale. Hold at the top for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Let any tension release with your breath. Repeat this process 2 more times. Deep breath in and slow exhale out. With each breath, allow yourself to settle further into this space, letting go of whatever happened before this moment. Now gently bring your awareness to your body. Feel the ground beneath you. The earth is supporting you, steady and solid. You are safe here. As you continue to breathe in and out, remind yourself that this moment is yours. There is no rush, no expectations, just being here with your breath. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a familiar space. This is your comfort zone. It's safe, cozy, and predictable. You know this place well. But today, you're ready to take a step beyond. Picture a new path in front of you. It's unknown, perhaps a little uncomfortable, but full of so much possibility. Visualize yourself taking a step onto this path. Feel your feet connect with the ground beneath you, steady yet unfamiliar. As you stand here, notice any thoughts or feelings that come up. Maybe it's excitement, or maybe it's fear. Whatever it is, allow yourself to feel it without judgment. Now take a deep breath in, welcoming whatever this new experience might bring. On the exhale, let go of any need for control. Trust that you are capable of navigating this path, step by step. Silently repeat these words to yourself. I am open to growth. I trust myself to step beyond what I already know. I openly welcome the new and unknown with courage. Let these words settle in. Feel them resonate with each breath in and out. Now slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and feel the support of the ground beneath you once again. And when you are ready, gently blink open your eyes, bringing this sense of courage and openness into your day.